guys, welcome back to the channel. So here I am at the shop. I don't know if you can see it in the background, probably not, but I just got picked up my car. We'll talk about it a little later when I get off these streets, but she is all set and ready to go. I cannot wait to see how it actually does. It already seems like it's going to be already seems like it's louder. Man, am I excited. I can hear the whine more in here, so let me turn around real quick. It's actually on 55% E. I don't know, man. I've never driven a car with this much horsepower on the street. Never hit the nitrous on the street. I've always ran NA on the street. So this is going to be different. The tune already, I can tell you right now, the tune at this shop already feels way better than the tune from the other shop. Like way better. I mean, it idles better. It's just way better. The car even feels better. Yes, this is way better. So let that be a lesson, folks. Sometimes, man, you just got to pay the money if you want it done right. I'm not going to go that cheap route again, 100% for sure. So we're going to get on the tollway. Maybe let these tires heat up a little bit. May see what she do, I may not, I don't know. You know, your boy kind of nervous, I mean, what's cool about it is, I mean, my car still pretty much drives stock. To me, that's kind of, it's amazing that it still drives stock. Shit. I'm going to have to raise it up for sure. Definitely going to have to raise it up. I don't want it that low. You know where it's so low that the fender goes over the tire? I want the fender right on top of the tire, not below it. So we'll fix that though. I can do that in the garage. Myself, ain't spending no more money, Got the dyno sheet right here. When I get to a place I can stop, we're gonna give you, I'm gonna let you see the dyno sheet. You know, you always hear that saying, you gotta pay to play. That couldn't be farther any more true. You gotta pay to play. You cannot, you either gotta pay to play or you gotta have a tremendous skill set to do all of this yourself. Do not go with the lowest bidder. Do not go with the lowest bidder. You'll end up paying twice. I kind of had to pay twice, but you want your stuff done right, and you got to take that L when you make an L. You got to eat it. You got to eat that L, or that L gonna eat you. But I was tired of my car sitting up. Just having it sitting up, knowing I can't play with it like I want to play with it, was starting to get annoying as hell. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's got some punch in it. Okay, we back in traffic again. It's got some punch in it. It's got some punch in it. OMG. Look, I see a Corvette up front. I'm see if I can catch up. Okay, so it looks like I might catch up with this Vette. If I can, I'm gonna fuck with it. Why not? I ain't got no real estate though. Well, bye, bitch. Bye, bitch. Oh my God, that felt so good. Oh, it's got so much kick. All right, let me get off this freeway. All right, guys, so I am back at the house. Man, probably should let these windows down because it's hot. I am back at the house. Man, we got the dyno sheet. That was a blast, man. That power is something else. I can only imagine what like 1,000 horsepower feels like, if this feels like this. At one point, I didn't record it, but I hit it like very close to my house, and I think I almost felt the wheel spinning. I'm like, oh shit, man. So let's look at this dyno sheet. Let's look at the dyno sheet. I haven't even looked at the car yet. I haven't even looked at it to see what that's about. But, you know, like the flex fuel sensor, the stuff that he added and whatnot, and the well, you can't see the injectors, but I at least want to see what the flex fuel stuff looks like. Man, so here's, I don't know, we may do that in another video. So anyway, yeah, the car made like $675. There's the dyno sheet right there, $675. I guess the 614 is the 93 tune, didn't really say, but I do know the 675 is the E85 tune at 55% E. So we're not even at 100% E. So that's like, I don't even know if that even make a difference if we did it with 100% versus 93 or 55, if that would even make more power. But I had like half a tank of 93 when I took it, so he just filled it up with the rest E. And we got 675, decent curve. Look where the power comes on. So the boost checks in at, what do the boost check in? At like 58. Can't really see that. I'm kind of guessing. No, not at 58. It comes in, but the boost comes in at around, we may as well say 58. That's when it started hitting. This is 8 pounds of boost. Engine RPM times 1,000. He used to do it by miles per hour. I guess he switched to doing it by RPMs. So we got that. Let's pop this hood so we can see what the rest of it looks like. Taking a look at the flex fuel setup. There's definitely a lot going on in here. We still got the nitrous hooked up. I can't tell if we do. Yep, the nitrous is still plugged into the solenoid, so that's still there. We got the flex fuel kit in. It's not really mounted nowhere, but it's just sitting there. I don't know if I like about that. But so this is the flex fuel sensor. We got that right there. I'll put that up. Not sure why it's not mounted anywhere, but I may create a little bracket to keep it from bouncing around. 3/8 pulley. That's about to come off. I gotta redo that. Can't just forget about my nitrous. We got the 3/8 pulley on there. New belt, of course. So yeah, the tune is way better. I can tell you that right now. Tune is way better. The temp's looking good. 3-bar map sensor. Man, those pulls that I did do were awesome. Scary, but awesome. It's just like with anything else. When you get used to one certain power level and then you take it up a notch, you got to get used to that power level. That's why you never should just go from a stock engine to like 1,000 horsepower, because you may find out the hard way that you probably should have did it in incremental steps. Yeah. Anyway, I like what I see. I like what I feel. This your boy. Like, comment, and subscribe. I may go to the track tomorrow.